What's up, guys? Sniper in the Trees 1 over here. I'm just gonna do a quick bike check. This is my premium Gutter Shark frame with Subrosa bitching cranks, Welgo sealed pedals, and fit shed forks laced up to a Snafu Surly with a Primo balance rim, Primo N4 FL hub. Pegs I'm running are Animal Butchers, lightest pegs I've ever ran. Stem, I'm running the Profile 48mm acoustic, bars, Garrett Reynolds whiskeys, and in my back tire I got the Snafu rim job laced up to a Primo balance rim, a Primo mix cassette hub, and a Primo DGS pub guard. Sprock I'm running is the Profile spline drive, and grips, Animal Edwins with Animal plastic bar and seat, and a Haro Fatty seat post, a Sputnik 25mm seat in more detail. Chain I'm running is a Mechanic half link 1/8, and I think that's it. I think that's all she wrote. Alright, have a good day.